everyone, I'm Becca and I work here at the Perfume shop. We are super excited to announce that we have recently partnered with Klarna. This is an amazing way to shop this Christmas, meaning you spread the cost. So this means when you select Klarna payment option at checkout, you have access to flexibility payment options. Option 1, you can pay up to 30 days later, interest-free. Option 2, when you spend £75 or more, you can split your payment into 3 instalments with automatic payment taken every 30 days. Here's how it works. Step 1, add products to your cart and select Klarna payment option when you check out. Step 2, enter a few personal details and you will know instantly if you've been approved. Step 3, Klarna will send you an email confirmation and reminders when it is time to pay. Step 4, you can complete your future Klarna purchases with just one click. Did you know a massive 80 million people are actively using Klarna, plus 190,000 retailers using this trusty service? So you can feel at ease when you order with us online or on our app. Happy shopping!